In this quick video, we are going to troubleshoot Microsoft compact keyboard, designer compact keyboard that will not pair with your computer, whether that's a desktop or a laptop or MacBook, whatever you have, and it's not working. Now, these should work with both Windows 10 and 11, and they are powered by 4 CMOS batteries, which these are the 2032s. That look like this, 2032s, and they look like a little watch battery. So, for whatever reason, if you do not get a Bluetooth light here, then that means that it's not getting power and you need to replace the batteries. So, in order to make sure that it's on, as you can see here, it's on right now when the switch is all the way to the left. However, if you go to the right, that means it's off if you see the red. So you might just have it off, so make sure that it is on. And then if you ever want to replace these batteries, they're replaced with little CMOS batteries, and the only thing you have to do is get like a little paper clip. And as you can see here, we just press in this little hole, paper clip, a safety pin, or SIM tool will work. You just press in there, and then the little case will slide. You have to slide that out at the same time. That exposes the 4 CMOS batteries. I could put a link in the comment section off of Amazon where you can get new ones. They're fairly inexpensive. All right, and so you got to make sure the batteries are powered on. And let's make sure we're getting a light now. And let's see, did I not turn it on? Let's see, it should be on here. There it goes. So in order to pair it, this has to be blinking. All right, and so there's 3 different slots. The reason that there's 3 slots for the Bluetooth is you could be using the same keyboard but on 3 different computers. And that's why you can go from one slot to another, which will go to different computers in the same household. So let's hold it down. If it's blinking, then it means it's ready to pair. If it's solid, it's not ready to pair. So you can hold it down for 5 seconds to make sure it's blinking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, and then of course to go to the next slot, you can just actually hold it down for a second. See there? And you could do either one of these slots. If that doesn't work, you can hold down the function button right here and then press on it. All right, and then once you get that, then what you're going to do is go to your desktop or your laptop, and then I'm going to go to the bottom left there and click search and just type in Bluetooth. Or you could type in network. So as you can see there, as soon as you type in Bluetooth, that'll give you the option to click on it. Now it should pop up here, and it should say something like Creative or Microsoft Devices. For whatever reason, if it does not work, you can toggle the Bluetooth on and off like this. And you've got to have Bluetooth. If you don't have Bluetooth, it won't work because this is connected through Bluetooth and not a USB wireless. Okay? And then if that doesn't work and it doesn't show up, it should show up right here on mouse and keyboard. Get your keyboard here and then toggle that on and off. Okay? And you could do that a few times and see if that will show up. You could try restarting your computer. A lot of times that will fix it. If your computer is too old, so this is a 10-year-old computer and it's not showing up on mine because mine's made in 2015, it's got to have a Bluetooth 4.0 on it. And so for whatever reason, if it doesn't have a Bluetooth 4.0, it's not going to work. Also, you try, if you have another keyboard connected to it or something else, temporarily remove the other keyboard, USB wireless keyboard off of it. Sometimes that will fix the issue. But let me know if one of these did fix it, and let me know what model number that you have. This is a 1954, but you might have a different one. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.